And a vowel. And a consonant now. And a vowel. And a consonant. Yeah, and touch me again. And I want you to touch me again one more time. Alright.
Okay, very, very good, very good. Right, well, thanks Cornelius, and you both have 30 seconds starting now. Okay, alright, time's up, time's up. So, right, what have you both got? Frida?
6. Oh, no, I thought I had tomato, but there's only one T, I'm sorry.
Cornelius?
Me have 10.
Oh, very, very good. Very good indeed. So, tell us what word you've got.
Bomboclart. We say bomboclart.
No, I don't think we can accept that, Cornelius. Let's check that with the Oxford English Dictionary with Carol.
Well, you could have had boom, which means loud noise, or you could have had moot, as in moot point. But I'm afraid bomboclart is not in the dictionary.
Well, of course it's not, you damn idiot. Look, it's in the dictionary of the I brethren, and you can't get a copy.
Well, I think you've made it up.
But it's a real word. We use it back home in Jamaica, and we use it here in England. Even the white boy, them use it now.
Well, you know, what does it mean?
It means, look, I don't want to go into that right now here. Just give me the points, them. You little bomboclart.
Don't you swear?
Swear at you? Oh, you know if I'm swearing at you if the bloody word don't exist, see? Tell man, look, me not play no more. I'm not too tease. I'm not play the game properly. Watch out. I'm gone here. Ja, Rastafari.